everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Fashion Diaries on KUTV. I'm your host, Pauline Chalo. Now, have you ever wondered what happens to the fabric waste generated by big companies such as Kenya Airways? Well, this episode is all about expounding on that. We recently got to attend the Kenya Airways Sustainability Design Challenge, where the company partnered with different fashion students from different colleges and universities. In a bid to exercise their social responsibility, they had these students come up with designs that would be appealing to the different fashion consumers we have today. Stay with us, get to catch all that fun, flavor, and fashion. Don't you go anywhere.
Most of the time when we think about sustainability
and sustainable, going on with the brief that we had been given. Another challenge was teamwork as usual. Sometimes we would come in late, another person was there early, meeting deadlines.
I got a new appreciation from the sustainable development goals, because you get to learn that this is our world and we're trying to make it a better place, and continually sustaining that progress towards better development is one of the main goals of this world, and it was a great honor to be a part of something that would contribute to that as well. So that's what I could take away.
It's obvious that airlines have challenges with sustainability and the environmental impact that they have. But I think if you put that to one side, I think there's a sort of a parallel to be drawn between the sort of speed of air travel and speed of fashion. And increasingly, kind of the environmental impact of fast fashion, everybody is ever more aware of that. And I think that what Kenya Airways have done here is looked at how they can extend the life of materials that they use. So if you like, there's a parallel between, I suppose, speed of air travel and the shift from fast fashion to slow fashion, and really kind of taking all of these sort of materials that are surplus, that are excess, that are unwanted, and turning them into things that are beautiful and can have a further life and can be loved. So I was kind of delighted, along with the rest of the judges, to be involved, and I personally found it really inspiring. So it's been great to listen to all of the presentations, to look at their progress from the initial presentation stage through to the final presentation. The way that I think Ruby said earlier on, well, it's always about teamwork again, but it's just but actually the way that everybody worked as teams was phenomenal, and the level of commitment, the level of professionalism, the dedication, and just the kind of creative thought processes. It kind of personally, as somebody who's been making bags in Kenya for 11 or 12 years, it really inspired me, and it kind of gave me a lot of hope, made me feel really, really excited about the talent that's coming out of colleges here, and I hope that Kenya Airways will continue to support this as an initiative, because I think there's an enormous amount that can be done, and I think there's a massive role that businesses like Kenya Airways need to play in developing and nurturing talent, and creating opportunities and creating platform for all these wonderful young people.
So, Jackie, any last remark before we continue with the program?
No, I think for me, it's just, it's a beginning of a journey for us. Hopefully, we will continue to engage fashion students and colleges in Kenya in the long term, and seek for solutions from the younger generation, who hopefully will think with their heart, with the larger interests of the globe at hand. And I'm just excited to actually see what the students have put together.